everybody, it's Lady Led. We are finally on vacation. It feels like forever since we've been on vacation. The thing about vacation though is that for a lot of people, this is the time when you fall off all of your healthy eating habits. All of that usually during a vacation goes to waste. And how do I know that? Because I've done it. One of the ways that I make sure I'm eating healthy stuff while I'm on vacation is if you get a place that has a kitchen or at least a refrigerator. I get things that are simple to fix. So salad, my usual spring mix, or you can just keep it simple. Heads of lettuce. We bought some rotisserie chicken last night. All we gotta do is reheat this if we want to, or use it cold in the salad. You know, I'm gonna have some cheeses and some butter and some almond milk, especially for when I wanna make some pancakes. Salad dressings and water. All of that is simple, quick, and easy stuff. And then of course, you need some travel snacks. So we fill the cabinet up with that. Got my sweeteners, got my almond flours, anything that, you know, I might need without having to make a split, I'm starving decision. We got what we need right here. You're like, but what about restaurants? All right, so throughout this week, as we go to different restaurants, I'll show you the types of things that I pick out. And then if I do decide to go off and do something different, you know, it might just be one day or 2 days. I'm not gonna spend this whole time doing that. All right, so we're getting ready to head out, do a little shopping, see some sights. Not really ready for dinner or anything like that, but it's always a good idea to take some snacks, okay? So here's my healthy choice of snacks. Obviously, I'm gonna take some water with me. And even though the label says cashews, that's not what that is. So let me show you what I got. All right, these are dried dates, one of my favorite snacks. Now, this is not a low sugar snack, so you just gotta think about where you are in your health journey for those. And then of course, I've got some pecans here. I'm gonna take some pistachios with me. And here's another, not a low sugar, but still a healthier choice. So some dried mangoes, and obviously I'm gonna put my coldest water bottle to the test. Ready to go. Almost forgot. Gotta bring the plantain chips along. Now this is a special treat. I usually can't find them in this type of abundance back home. So, might be buying a few extra bags to take home. You just gonna, just because they're healthy don't mean other people ain't gonna be craving them with you.
This is a perfect substitute for a potato chip. 50 by 50 is how it's gonna get done.
All right, let's get out of here before we eat all our snacks before we go.
Let's go. How you doing? Killer.
All right, and if you are craving pizza, but you want one with a healthier crust, we got these from Aldi's. Range of pepperoni, but then you put it in the oven yourself, and you got a healthier pizza. All right, and this morning I'm working on some healthy cassava flour and almond flour mixed pancakes. I got a few that are already done. And if you need the recipe to these pancakes, check out my pancake video. I put the link in the description for you. I don't feel like I'm restricting myself, you know, but I go in with a plan. Yes, I do want to celebrate. I want to have a good time. But I also want to feel well. You know, I want to have my energy. I want to feel like getting out there in the pool. I want to feel like going for a walk. I want to feel like going for that bike ride or just explore, you know, go on a hike. Whatever it is, vacations don't have to ruin your healthy eating plans. Y'all hear them people in the background, they are kicking it. It doesn't have to do that.